We continue implementation in this part where we go to the sixth menu of the ArcSWAT menu bar entitled SWAT Simulation, and in it we choose Run SWAT, where we find the period of simulation is determined according to weather data from 1/1/2000 to 31/7/2014. Then we go to SWAT.exe version and choose 64-bit release. Then in a print out setting we choose daily. In NYSKIP we choose 3, and in output file variables we choose all. Then we click on setup SWAT run. A message appears indicating that finished SWAT setup. Then OK. Then we click on Run SWAT. The implementation of operation starts. A message appears indicating SWAT run successful. Then OK. Then we close this window. To preview the results, we go to the menu titled SWAT Simulation, and in it we choose Read SWAT Output. A window appears, and in it we click on Open Output STD, which contains the implementation output or result that include yield, sediment, and etc. Also, we press Open Input STD, which contains input data. The result of implementation of the ArcSWAT program for the study area can be viewed by clicking on Run SWAT Check. A window titled SWAT Error Checker appears, and in it we press Examine Model Output. The reading output process takes place, and the results are shown here in the simulation details. To see more results, we go to the rest of the menu, where we go to the hydrology menu. Then the water balance of study area appears in numbers. Then we go to the sediment menu to preview the sediment results. Then we go to the nitrogen cycle menu, and then to the phosphorus cycle menu, then to the plant growth menu, then landscape nutrient losses menu, then land use summary menu, which contains a table information about CN, IWC, USLA, and etc. Then the menu of in-stream process, then the point source menu, then receivers menu, which contains general information about receiver, then the about menu. To document the implementation results, we click on these options And here in the option output reservoir, if there is no reservoir in the study area, we do not tick. Then we click on import files to database. We wait for import files to database to complete. Then a message appears indicating that done writing files to database. Then OK. To save the result, we go to the file titled Save Current Simulation As, and we write the save name, which is SIM2. Then we click on Save Simulation. A message titled SWAT Run Successfully Saved as SIM2 appears. Then OK. Then we save the entire project by clicking on the save icon. The simulation result can be viewed in ArcSWAT for the study area by going to the project file on the desktop titled SWAT Wadi Al-Mur 1, and in it we go to the SWAT project, in which the result files is titled SWAT project.mdb, which contains the result of the implementation as we see it here. The results of output are found inside the file with the title scenario, inside the file SIM2, and inside the file table out, and then SWAT output.mdb, which contains the results of the outputs as we see it here. Now we go back to the ArcSWAT program and we close the program. Then we go to the file of the project entitled SWAT Wadi Al-Mur 1, and we make a copy for it. And transfer it in the following path. Inside the file titled Soil and Land Use for ArcSWAT and Other Programs for Iraq and World 1, where we make for it paste. Then the file of the project becomes in the following path as we see. Thus, we have completed the explanation of the method of working on ArcSWAT, which included the implementation of the ArcSWAT program for the study area and the use of shapefile maps for land cover and soil types that were produced in the previous parts in the video of soil type and land use category.